Howdy Robotics. Here's a quick video about how to get the VEX kit of parts into your Fusion 360. So I've got this website, which I'll be sharing the link with you. If you needed, you could pause this and type it in word for word based off what you're looking at, but I will share this link with you. About halfway or more down this page, we have kit of parts. All right. So we are going to use the VEX EDR. So you're going to click on this. And here's where the process might look a little different for Macs than my Windows device here. I'll try to remember the differences though and describe those as they happen. So it says it's done. It's a zip file, right? So that means it's actually compressed all these files together. We need to unzip that. You'll have to do that on your Mac as well using something called the archive utility. Basically, you will right click on there or do control click. And so I'm going to show mine in folder. All right, might look a little different on yours. And you will do it says open with, and you want to pick that archive utility. It looks different on my screen, right? So for me, I'm going to click extract all. It's a little different process, all right? But I'm going to extract this, pick where you want it to go. So honestly, I don't want to save all this stuff into my Google Drive right now, although most of the time I always save stuff there. So I'm just going to create a folder called VEX kit of parts. I don't have something like that on this computer yet, and it's going to go on this PC, and that's fine. Okay, so this PC, in fact, let's put it on the desktop for now. All right, and call it VEX kit of parts. Okay, I might have to create a new folder. Anyway, so select folder. All right, so I selected it, and we're going to say extract. And so it's going to go through this process, okay? Once it's done, I'll tell you the next step. Okay, so I paused while it unzipped. I'm back. I think it finished unzipping, all right? So what we need to do now is put it in the place we want it. So go to your Autodesk Fusion. Remember that folder that you created? Mine I've called Fagan VEX folder. Yours should probably have, yes, definitely have your last name and then VEX folder, okay? And you want to make sure this is in the one that says Shawnee Mission North or Fusion 360 at Shawnee Mission North, okay? So this would be in the wrong place right now. To switch, if you need to, you come over here to your name, switch team, and you just click the different one, all right? But this is just an instructional video, okay? So in here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this folder, or actually, let's open it up. And we're going to go to upload, I believe, select files. And at this point, we'll put in that stuff we just downloaded and unzipped. Okay, so I have to find that, desktop, kit of parts. All right, and this is what I want. So I'm going to hit this folder. I'm assuming I don't need this other one. Going to click open. All right, it's going to do this again. Let's see. Take these. Take these. Okay, so that's not it. I suppose I could do it this way. Let's go back to the file, or what we call Window Explorer. And can I drag this here? Yes, I can. Okay. Let's see if it has what I want there. Yeah, all those files, baby. Okay, so I'm going to click upload, and then it's going to do its thing. Hopefully it puts all of those in as folders, or in the folders that they belong in, but there's one other possibility that we might have to do after this. I'll pause just to check on that and see if we will have to do that as well. Let me tell you, I'm going to make another video about what to do if we have to convert those files from Inventor files, if that's what these are, into Fusion 360 designs. So I'll let you know how to do that later if we have to.